OpenAI just dropped a bombshell. ChatGPT now has an ads manager. Forget keyword targeting, this changes everything for marketers. Imagine reaching your exact audience, not by what they search for, but by what they are actively discussing in real-time conversations. After this tutorial, you'll be able to create highly effective ad campaigns within ChatGPT, leveraging this unprecedented conversational context for targeting accuracy and unlocking a brand new, incredibly potent customer acquisition channel. Let's dive in. Now, before we get to the solution, let's talk about the problem. Traditional ad platforms are increasingly saturated. Cost per clicks are skyrocketing, and user attention is harder than ever to capture. We're all still chasing keywords, trying to guess user intent based on broad searches, often missing the real-time, nuanced needs people express in natural language. This means a lot of your ad budget is wasted, showing ads to people who aren't truly ready to engage or whose immediate intent has already shifted. What if you could speak directly to users in their moment of need, based on their actual dialogue, not just a search query? That's precisely what the ChatGPT Ads Manager offers, a direct, contextual line to your most relevant potential customers, revolutionizing how you approach digital advertising. All right, let's get you set up. First, you'll need to access the ChatGPT Ads Manager. You can find it by navigating to labs.openai.com/adsmanager. The link will also be in the description below. Once there, you'll be prompted to connect your OpenAI billing and ad accounts. Simply click Billing and Accounts in the left-hand navigation, then select Link Ad Account and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your existing payment methods or set up new ones. Now here's one crucial gotcha. Ensure your ad creatives are optimized for conversational context, not just visual appeal. While some small images or interactive elements are supported, your text is the primary ad. Think about what a user is discussing and how your ad can directly contribute to that conversation. It's less about a flashy banner and more about a helpful, relevant intervention. Now here's where it gets really good: the core technique for contextual AI targeting. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Define your audience profile and contextual triggers. This is the heart of the system. Instead of demographics or keywords, you're thinking about user dialogue. For example, if you sell high-end ergonomic office chairs, your audience profile might be remote workers seeking comfort and productivity. A precise contextual trigger could be user discusses back pain from long hours at a desk, or user asks for recommendations for improving home office setup. Another example, if you're a mortgage broker, your trigger could be user discusses current interest rates for home loans, or user asks about first-time homebuyer programs. You want to capture the intent embedded in their conversation. Step 2. Upload or create ad creatives. Once your triggers are set, it's time for your ad copy. Remember, this is conversational. You can upload text, a small relevant image, or even an interactive prompt. For our ergonomic chair example, a text creative might be, "Suffering from WFH back pain? Discover our award-winning ergonomic chairs designed for ultimate support. Shop now link." An interactive prompt could be, "Want to know how to choose the right chair for your posture? Type yes for a quick guide." Step 3. Set budget, bid type, and campaign duration. This part is more familiar. Simply input your daily or total campaign budget, choose between CPC, cost per click, or CPM, cost per mil, 1,000 impressions, and define your campaign's start and end dates. The key variable to constantly adjust here is the granularity of your contextual targeting. Start with a broader trigger, analyze performance, then refine it. If home improvement projects is too broad, narrow it down to user needs advice on painting supplies to boost conversion rates. This is the part most people miss, the advanced strategies that truly unlock the power of ChatGPT Ads Manager. First, a power user trick. A/B test contextual triggers and ad copy in real time. In your campaign dashboard, select your active campaign, click Create Variant, and adjust either a specific contextual trigger or a version of your ad copy. This system automatically splits traffic and shows you which variations perform best, allowing for rapid optimization based on live conversational data. Another power user trick, Integrate with ChatGPT's Analytics API for custom reporting. Go to Settings, API Access, Generate Ads API Key. This lets you pull granular performance data into your own dashboards for deeper insights than the standard UI provides. And finally, for those looking for cutting-edge creative, combine this with another AI tool. Use generative AI platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E to create compelling small images or even initial drafts of interactive text prompts, then import them directly into your Ads Manager under the Creatives tab. This saves significant time and brings a new level of innovation to your campaigns. Now, for the real-world results that prove this isn't just theory. Major brands are already seeing incredible success. Consider Best Buy, for example. They leveraged the ChatGPT Ads Manager by targeting users discussing new gaming setups or home office upgrades, and saw a 3x increase in click-through rates compared to their traditional display campaigns. Imagine cutting your wasted ad spend by 40% or more, simply by reaching users with direct, immediate relevance. This isn't just a hypothetical, it's a tangible outcome. The use cases are vast. Lead generation for high-intent queries, real-time product recommendations, targeted content promotion, even surveying users based on their expressed interests. This isn't just another ad platform, it's a fundamental shift in how we connect with customers. Start experimenting today and witness the difference yourself. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials. Next week, we're diving deep into using AI to automate your email marketing campaigns, so you won't want to miss that.